Are Infiniti wheel spacers safe? Quality Infiniti wheel spacers are essentially safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle original hubs. The vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel studs of each wheel. All processes are transmitted through each Infiniti hubs and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any Infiniti wheel spacers installed. In stock hub-centric Infiniti wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric Infiniti wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the larger nuts can hold it first against the mounting plate. These Infiniti wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing the minimum chance of vibration. Quality Infiniti wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Infiniti wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Infiniti wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide a longer service life. Selecting the best Infiniti wheel spacers ensures safety and is almost always save money in routine maintenance. BONOSS multi-stage hub-centric Infiniti wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The hub-centric metering is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Infiniti wheel spacer and the safer your driving will be. Thus, BONOSS multi-stage hub-centric Infiniti wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, BONOSS active cooling Infiniti wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better, distributed in total shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve road safety. Also, BONOSS active cooling Infiniti wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind.